it's Kate with WTI. This is my Apple TV Siri Remote for second generation Apple TV. I love this remote for so many reasons. Weird to say that I love a TV remote, I know, but Apple remotes are so sleek. They're so nice looking. So maybe you're like me and you hate when there's a whole bunch of remotes out on the table. We have a little box we keep ours in, but this one is just so small and so sleek. You don't mind having it out. It also works amazing. Obviously, it's so smooth with the Apple TV. I really love this little touchpad. You can click into it. You can use a circular motion to rewind or fast forward, find the scene that you're looking for. It's so user-friendly, so easy to use, and so nice and smooth with your Apple TV. And of course, it has that Siri option, so you can use voice to search for what you're looking for. Really awesome remote, looks fantastic, and works so well with the Apple TV. That's just my point of view.